Alright, welcome back nerds. We're going to solder the rest of the Bluetooth RC car vehicle board now. I think I'll just start with the AVR ISP and make sure that when you solder it that it comes out to be flush. Great. Let that cool for a second, and then we can start on this guy. Now, a Bluetooth header. Next, we'll do the servo pin. Alright, so next, I think I will do the battery connector first, only because when we push the switch in there, it'll kind of push it up. So around here or so. Good. And then strip the wire. Cool. And take notice that there is a polarity. Make sure you get the polarity right. Red with positive, a minus with black or negative or ground. Good. Now for the minus polarity. Perfect. What I'm going to do off screen is actually apply a little bit of hot glue from a glue gun. So let's go ahead and do the motor connectors next. If you didn't take wire from the battery connector, you can just get some stranded or solid core, but I would recommend stranded. On screen here, we're only going to do one side. So it's your responsibility to connect it to the motor after. It doesn't matter which side of the motor you connect it to. In code, we can always just change the direction of the motor driver to make it go in the forward and backward direction respectively. Good. And similarly with the LiPo battery connectors, off screen, we're going to apply a little bit of hot glue. It may even be too long for to reach the motors, so you can cut them down even more if you want, but that should be fine. Last thing we have is a switch. Doesn't matter which way the switch goes. Good. This will be really hot, so give it a moment. We're pretty much done. It's completely optional if you want to do this, but what we like to do is we like to clip off the leads. Just careful when you do this. I would wear eye goggles. And then what I like to do, again this is optional, is I like to go over everything just with a hot soldering iron to smoothen it, because after you cut it, usually it leaves some pointed edges. I wouldn't go over the wires we did earlier, or be very careful or else they might fall out. Alright, and that's it for the Bluetooth RC car vehicle. Alright, see you nerds.